this is the Helping Hands soldering station, and boy, you get a lot of stuff with this. Pretty awesome. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived very safely. Everything was wrapped in plastic. You get a little instruction sheet to show you what everything is, and everything had its own place, packed in styrofoam. Inside the package, you are going to get a ton of stuff. First thing I noticed was you get an X-Acto knife here with some blades, and I used the X-Acto knife to cut off all the plastic because everything was wrapped individually. This is a heavy-duty, like U-shaped base. It's got padded feet on the bottom, which is awesome, and this weighs about 2 pounds and 13 ounces. You get a second metal plate here. Heavy-duty metal. This weighs about 1 pound, 11 ounces. All that goes with this silicone tray. I mean, it fits perfectly inside of here. And it's got little slots for you to store stuff in, which I'll show you. This metal plate fits perfectly right inside of the silicone tray if you wanted to. Also, you get a ruler that's standard on one side and metric on the other side. That goes along with the X-Acto knife and this precision measuring tray, which is about almost exactly the same size as this metal plate, but it fits perfectly in here. So if you wanted to do some, some cutting work on here with your X-Acto knife in your tray, you could do that. You get a little silicone mat here and a wire holder. It's non-slip. You know, it's got different gauge slots on here for different size wire. You know, it doesn't fit, fits in there. Good, so if you want to wire 2 wires together, this is pretty cool, and I'm going to actually use this. You get a magnifier with a light on it. It actually comes with a block on it, which is nice. You don't get that a lot. It has about a 6-foot cable on there. 5 times magnification and 10 times magnification. All of these items that come with this magnetize to the base anywhere you want. And I'm not kidding, this stuff holds up great. You turn the light on, and it's got 3 different types of light on there, color settings. You get a soldering iron holder, which I'm going to put right here because I'm left-handed. You get 4 of these little pillar holders. They're magnetized. Great for doing stuff like circuit boards. You know, hold everything into place. You can, whatever you're not using, you can just store away on the base. You get an S-hook for some reason. I'm not sure what we're going to use that for, but there it is. This is kind of cool. A little bit of assembly required, but not much. You just got to screw this onto this base right here. This base is geared right here. It'll lock into whatever place you want. Get it to the position that you want it in, lock it down. And this is for holding a heat gun. We got one of these style heat guns. This clamp actually opens up pretty wide, which is, I'm surprised. So it's easy enough to fit my heat gun on here. You could get it into place, move it wherever you want, however you want it. I mean, plenty of options here. And this magnetic base is really a lot stronger than I thought it was going to be. It holds everything on there really well. They've also given us 6 gooseneck alligator clips, 4 12-inch ones, 2 6-inch ones. And you've got these nice ones that are here that are covered here that aren't, you know, the metal's covered on the outside. And they've got nice little rubber holders on here to hold whatever it is you're holding. Now, you're going to have to assemble these too. Super simple. These screws and clamps come separately. This just goes in there and you screw it into place however you want it. I preferred to put the clamp part on the opposite end of the screw. Another thing I really like about this is this tray has all kinds of different slots in here. So whatever it is you're working on, you can keep everything in its own little place. I'm impressed. So there you go, a Helping Hands soldering base with pretty much everything you need. It doesn't take up a lot of room. We're talking like maybe 16 inches by a little over 13 inches this way. Since everything magnetizes to it, it's really easy to keep together and works great. Everything I would need to do guitar work around the shop, and I absolutely love it. Very nice.